guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this random fidget. I just threw something up to make this. And I'm going to show you how to make a mini one. So what you're going to need is tape. I'm using a tape that is super small. And then Legos, as many as you want, but I'm doing mini, so I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these ones. It might come about like half of the size of what I'm gonna do, what mine is. So I'm gonna flip them upside down. Well, you don't have to flip them upside down, but I choose to flip them upside down because they're flat. And then I'm going to line them up. It's a very concentrating moment. And then once you're done, I'm trying to talk. I don't have anything on my brain. Once you're done, it's probably going out of the frame. There. It's probably going to be half the size of mine. This isn't quite a mini. A mini is like that big, but there's like 3 extra, maybe 4. Okay, now then you're going to take your tape and measure how long it is. So about, I'm doing this much tape. It's out of the frame, I know. Okay, and then, hold up. You're gonna tape it down. Okay, and then I do this to make sure it's all taped. And there you go. It could be a snake, a tangle. Also, you could also just like tape these. It will work much better if you have like, if this is in half. And guess what? It can't bend this way or the tape would just snap. I'm probably gonna, hold on, let's test the size. Oh wow, right up to here. If I didn't add these 3 right here, they'll be the same size. Wow. Well, because I have 2 of these, I'm probably gonna show you how to make a homemade snapper with Legos. Hope you guys like this video. You like, comment, and subscribe. Comment, let's see, let's comment fidget toys. And then after that, comment what I should do next. And then, oh gosh, I just broke this one. After that, comment what I should name it. Snake, tangle, or something random. So, yeah. Bye, guys. Peace. Oh, yeah, you guys like my new nails? Hope you do. Bye.